Hi everyone, this is Brad. I had a friend of mine reach out recently about copying items into Google Docs, finding a specific character or words, and then how to remove them, what to do. So it's actually pretty simple. So here's what we're going to do. I went over, my daughter has a history exam coming up, so we put this in. So we're going to grab all this information from here. We're going to place it into Google Doc, but you can see all the number signs, hashtags, whatever you want to call them, and we want to remove them just because they kind of get in the way. So just hold down Control F, and then you want to go ahead and show that. So it shows that there's 51 of them. So what you can do is you can sift through each and every single one, and it'll show you that. So you can certainly do that. However, if you want to remove them all or change them, select the more options so you can see, find the number sign. What do you want to replace it with? Do you want to replace it with something? Or do you want to just remove it? And if you just want to remove it, leave it just like that. You can see your other options here. And just select Replace All. And they are gone. And that's as easy as it is. Just select Control F, find what you're looking for. So if you're looking for television, you can see it goes right through and finds television. I didn't even need to type it all in. So there you go. It's that simple. If you have any questions, please reach out. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.